Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Today I have these BB Run color sorting toys. Today we are going to divide fruits and vegetables by color. Would you join me? Great! Now let's get started! Okay, so here we have fruits and vegetables, some knives, a cutting board, and the buckets. Green, purple, orange, yellow, and red. Let's start by naming them, cutting them, and putting in the right bucket. First one, we have a lemon. Lemon is in the color yellow. Yellow lemon. Where does it go? Orange? No. Green? No. Yellow? Now we have this pumpkin and it's in the color orange. Let's cut it. Here we have purple? No. Red? No. Green? No. Orange. We have another fruit and it's in the color orange and it's an orange. Let's cut it. Orange. Now we have another fruit. This is a pear and it's in the color yellow. Let's cut it in half. Pear. Now we have an onion. Onion is in the color purple. Let's cut it in half. Onion. Onion makes you cry when you cut it, but this is plastic, so we will not cry. Here we have a tasty apple. Apple is in the color red. Let's cut it in half. Apple. And it goes in the red bucket. Here we go, we have this green broccoli. It goes in the green bucket. Next up we have a carrot. Carrot is in the color orange. Orange. It goes in here. Next we have red pepper. Red bucket. We have some tasty grapes. Purple grape. It goes in the purple bucket. We have a juicy tomato in the color red. We have a yellow banana. Yellow bucket. We have a watermelon. Watermelon is in the color green. We have a green bell pepper. Green bucket. Is it here? No. Oh, next to it. Good job, everyone. Now we have a yellow corn. Let's cut it in half. Corn. In the yellow bucket, we have 2 eggplants. Let's cut them. Purple eggplant in the purple bucket. Now we have a strawberry. Red strawberry goes in the red bucket. And the last one, we have some peas. So we have our red bucket, green, purple, orange, and yellow. A tomato. Has a strawberry. An apple. A red pepper. Green peas. Green pepper. Green broccoli. And a green watermelon. Eggplants, onion, and grape. Orange, pumpkin, corn, banana, lemon, pear, well, this is the end of this video. I had so much fun learning with you today. Did you have fun learning with me? Thank you for being my friend today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Grown-ups, support our channel by subscribing here on YouTube. This is the way to let us know that you enjoy watching our videos. Please like and share so others can join here too. Thank you.